canned tuna has gone gourmet. We're in the kitchen today with Chef Jo Lusted, and she's going to show us how to make delicious Chipotle Tuna Stuffed Peppers using new gourmet white tuna. Hey, Jo.
Hi.
So where do we start?
Well, first we have to prepare our quinoa. According to the package instructions, heat the oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Then add the mushrooms and saute until they're softened and golden brown. Next, stir in the corn until it's hot, remove from the heat, and allow to cool. Stir the mushroom mixture, the chipotle-flavored gourmet white tuna, black beans, and a quarter cup of the salsa right into the quinoa. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and then divide the filling amongst each pepper half and arrange the peppers in a casserole dish on top of the remaining salsa. Top each pepper evenly with feta and mozzarella cheeses, cover with foil, and bake for 30 minutes. Uncover the casserole dish and bake for an additional 10 minutes until the cheese is golden and bubbling.
Jo, this looks amazing. Thank you so much.
Oh, my pleasure.
And you can find this recipe and more at betterlivingtv.ca/in the kitchen.